Hi guys, welcome back to Solidity Basics. In this section, we'll cover if else, that is, conditional statements. So, you might have come across conditional statements in other programming languages like Java, JavaScript, Python, etc. Solidity also supports conditional statements like if, and else. These are mainly used to direct the control flow of a program using certain conditions, like if something is true, then this should happen, otherwise, that should happen. The base principle is that, and now we'll go through our example contract here. So in this contract we have the first function which takes in a variable called x, which is an integer value, and if the value of x is less than 10, then it returns with the value 0. Otherwise it goes here and checks if the value of x is less than 20. If this is true, then it returns the value 1. If this is also false, the program flow goes to this statement and the value of 2 is finally returned. So in this example, if the value of x is between 0 and 9, including both of them, 0 because this is an unsigned integer, so no value before that is possible. So if the value is between 0 and 9, both inclusive, we get the value 0. If the value is between 10 and 19, both inclusive, we get the value 1. And if the value is 20 or above, we get the value 2. We also have ternary operator in Solidity, similar to Python, Java, or JavaScript, and it's a shorthand way of writing if-else statement. So if you wanted to write this logic, if x is less than 10, then return 1, otherwise return 2. You can do that in one line using ternary operators, which look like this. If x is less than 10, then you return 1, otherwise you return 2. So this is your conditional statement, question mark, the true case, and the false case. Okay, let's check this out on Remix ID. So we have a contract here, we'll compile it and then we'll deploy it. Since this is a very basic logic, I'll not spend much of my time here. I'll simply demonstrate how this is working. So we called foo with the value of 9 and we got return 0. Let's call it with the value of 10 and we got the return value as 1, as it should be. And if I call it with 20, we get the value 2. Similarly here, x is less than 10, which means it should be between 0 and 9, both inclusive. We get 1, otherwise we get 2. So let's punch in 9 here and we get the value 1. And if you punch in 11 here, we get the value 2. Cool. See you in the next video.